Hello, today we are going to learn how to upgrade all software from command prompt. You start by pressing Windows plus S, then you type CMD, then you run command prompt as administrator. You click yes, then you say you type here Winget upgrade. After that you press enter. So this will show you all the software that you need to upgrade. So for me it is only OBS Studio which I need to upgrade. So you type after that you type Winget upgrade hyphen all to update, then you press enter. So by doing so it will update all the software that you need, that your computer needs to update.